Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add music audio on Canva. To start the process, open your web browser in your PC. Now search for Canva. Then click on Create a Design. You can also select your mobile video. Then select video from the given list. Now click on Uploads from the left panel. Here click on Upload Files. Now select any audio which you want to add. After that, tap on Open. As you can see, our audio is uploading. You can check if the audio is working by playing the audio. You can also adjust the audio from here. As you can see, our audio is successfully added. This is how you can add music audio to Canva. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.